Okay, this is for the first day of the second trimester. Um, few things that I need to go. Hey, sorry, I kind of got cut out. I got a phone call that I had to take. This is for the first day of the second trimester. The date today is November 16th. And we're getting to where we're wrapping up this first workshop. Okay, so today, uh, well, first off, here's what I'd like to do. I just want to tell you guys, I'm going to add something to our grading this trimester. Um, that's going to be a participation grade for the amount of time that you put into the student application. Okay, so after we're done with the whole group and you've turned in your stuff to Canvas, at the end of each week, I'm going to go in and individually look and see. I can see how many minutes you guys average on your student application each day. Okay, so um, it needs to be 10 minutes plus. So if we don't get to it in class, okay, if you spend more time reading your independent book, then that means you need to spend at least 10 minutes on the student application at night at home. For the most part, guys, you have you have enough time to do both independent reading and your student application. But I've noticed that some people are not getting the amount of minutes on that student application that they need to. So that will be a part of your grade this moving forward this trimester. Okay. Anyway, I want you to and I'm actually going to put this in as a quiz, kind of as a discussion, as a do now. I need you to get on and type what is going to be added as a part of your grade this trimester. So I will have a discussion for that so that I know that everybody has heard that you all know, and we'll go from there. So okay, so the answer to the quiz will be um, that a part of your grade this second trimester will be how many minutes you do the student application each day, 4 days a week. Okay. And there may be days that I excuse that, if we have stuff come up or whatever, but just so you know, that will be a part of it. Okay, today, I want you guys to, um, you're going to assess your draft. Okay, this is what you've typed and turned in. Okay, of your summary of a student or a child rights activist. Does the thesis statement introduce the topic? Okay, you're going to rate yourself a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4. Then we're going to have a partner read yours, and they're going to rate it a 1, 2, 3, or a 4. Okay, do the central ideas provide more information about the thesis? Do the central ideas, which backs up your thesis statement, provide more information about the thesis? Self, partner. Okay. Do detail sentences provide relevant facts, details, or quotations? Self, partner. Do detail sentences which back up your main ideas provide relevant facts, details, or quotations? Number 4, is the end of the essay a conclusion that restates the thesis and includes an interesting final thought? Self, partner. Do transitions introduce evidence? Okay, and that's what you guys worked on Thursday while I was gone, so hopefully that went well. Hopefully it all worked out and went well for you. Okay, and number 6, are all sentences in the essay complete? 1 through 4, 1 through 4. So rate it yourself first, then have your partner rate it. Okay. All right. So we will spend some time today doing that. If you're at home, maybe have a parent or a brother or sister or whoever you live with help you with that. Okay. Reflect and revise. Positive feedback. You did an effective job of. Okay. This is going to come from your partner. Okay. From your partner section right here. Your essay will be stronger if you blank. Okay, guys, and what I don't want you to do if you're grading someone else's, this is a part of life. We have to be able to critique other people's work. I don't want partner 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. You've got to be able to give them some constructive feedback, okay? And it's okay. That's an okay thing to give some feedback, and to receive feedback is okay. We don't need to have our feelings hurt when people give us feedback. All right, so then yourself. I will revise my essay so that it blank. Includes, develops, explains. I also need to add, revise, or check and fill that in. Okay? Did you use correct punctuation? Period at the end, question mark, commas. I also want to make sure that you have capital sentences, capitalized letters at the beginning of sentences. Are all words spelled correctly? Okay? Check mark. Did you use complete sentences? Not fragments, but sentences. Okay? After you have revised and edited your essay, write or type your final essay. Read it again and correct any errors in spelling, word choice, or sentence structure before you submit it. Okay? All right, so we're going to take some time doing that today. We may need to take to take time to do this, and then tomorrow turn it in. So we'll do that. I'll give you the option to turn that in tomorrow. Okay? Anyway, thanks so much. I hope you all had a great weekend. There's going to be a few things for you to do on Canvas. The first thing is going to be that you need to go in, and I just sent you guys an invitation. I sent one last week, but nobody went in and accepted. But I sent another invitation for you to add the Read 180 course for this upcoming trimester. So we need to do that. I'll remind you in class, but I'm also going to send out an email and an announcement to make sure that you guys are all squared away with that, okay? Awesome, guys. Thanks so much. Have an amazing day. Let's work on editing your essay. Thank you. Bye.